Yo, what is up, everybody? It is Bomber306, and I know this video is kind of late as of right now, but I have gotten these two brand new Sony PS3 controllers because I don't trust myself with the fact that these controllers, you know, even though I basically been using PS3 all my life at some point or another, you know, I just think that there might be one day where this suddenly breaks, and before I go buy another one that is only $15, trust me, good deal, I guess these will do. Plus I'm also making sure to get myself a PS3 controller charge base, so that way I will be sure enough to, let me just pick it up here so I won't freaking cut myself while trying to open it. Alright. There's not much that's been going on recently. It's kind of same old, but in a way, I guess you could say some things are different. Now that Netflix is back with me, I feel like I'm very happy because I have missed it. And oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. All right. Let's set this down gently. Oh, it comes with it. Yep, it even came with charge cables. I like that. Alright, so guys, here they are. Yeah. The two P3, not Sony. Sorry, I thought it was the Sony white controllers, but no, it's just the custom ones. White controllers. Not much different from any other P3 PlayStation 3 controllers though, so that's pretty good. Nothing bad. We both look at least decent. Everything looks normal, so that's good. Joysticks work. The directional pad works, the buttons work, L and R work, R1 and R2 works, L2 plugs in, good. Let me just get the plug-in over here, and we'll get right to that. Hold on. Alright guys, so I'm back. Gonna bring the tripod closer so you guys can see. I already have my previous controller charger cable. Gonna see how, wait. Oh. Oh, look at that! Perfect! Wow, that's great. Alright, so that one works. Good. Now I'm going to try the other one just in case, because sometimes these things are not very good. Alright. This one works too. That's good. See, all the buttons work. Yep. All the buttons are very nice. So yeah. That is very good because I got in total 3 very good, perfect, near mint PS3 controllers that not only work but are very useful just in case if I ever have like a multiplayer PS3 game, and if I ever have any friends over. Let that ever be a thought, because these controllers that I'm showing you right now, I'm going to put these aside. Wait, let me just pause this real quick. These controllers don't work at all. This one was very good, but then it started to keep going on the floor many times because, well, I get careless after a few months of having a brand new controller, because we all been there. Don't, all you gamers out there, don't act like you don't just yeah, play like you, oh yeah, you play the game and oh crap, it goes on the floor, it does that, and then it doesn't work anymore. I mean, it does, just this joystick makes my character or characters from any other game just immediately go somewhere I don't want them to go. This does the same. Piece of crap. Not to mention it almost broke. Thing almost broke. So either I'm selling these or I'm destroying them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but if anything, I'm gonna scoot them over to the side and bring back all of these wonderful good controllers. Should put them on frame here. I had this camera on zoom the entire time. I apologize for that. Hopefully it didn't mess up any of the unboxing things. So yeah, that was me unboxing the brand new controllers for my controller collection, I guess. Plus the charge cables here. That's good if I ever, like, these, I might actually get longer ones, because these ones are actually rather, no wait, hold on. Oh no, they're long. Okay. I thought these were the short ones, but they're actually the longer ones. That's good. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Check out my Twitter. I made sure to fix it up because I had a problem considering some of the links that were of the Twitter videos were actually going to my Tumblr and not YouTube. So I fixed it, even though I had to delete some updates in the process, but that's fine. I can always just make new updates, and that's okay with me. So anyway, go follow my Twitter at BiomasR618. Hopefully I got the Twitter name right, because I really don't want to I really don't want to edit this because I can't. So this is all one take, even though it has jump cuts. And stay chillin'.